guys, so now that you know about the print function, let's try to actually print something using code. In this activity, you're going to print the text "Hello World." You're going to write the code in Visual Studio, which you downloaded earlier, remember? So go ahead and open up Visual Studio. When you write programs in Visual Studio, you're going to be writing it in files. Every time you want to write a new program, you're going to open a new file and write it there. So, to open a file, you can double-click this text that says New File. Or you can just use the Command N. So go ahead and open a new file. Select the option as Python for the type of file. Now, you'll want to give the file a name. So save this file by clicking on Command S, and then name the file helloworld.py. You will always save all files with the ending .py whenever you are writing code in Python. So remember to always save your files in this course with the extension .py because that indicates that you're using Python. Now, we're going to print out the text "Hello World." You're going to follow the format for the print function that you learned in the previous video. So, you're going to write print, open brackets, open quotation marks, and inside the quotation marks, you can write the text that you want to print, which is "Hello World." Once you're done writing the code, go to this little icon here and click on Run and Debug. This will run your code. So once you click on Run and Debug, and you select Python, look at the terminal below, and you should see the text "Hello World" printed to the terminal. You wrote the code that printed that. Feel free to play around with the print function and print out other messages. Now you know how to print any text you want using Python. Stay tuned to learn more in the next video.